In a world where financial stability and independence are paramount, finding effective ways to grow your money is essential. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, the key lies in discovering proven strategies that can catapult your wealth to new heights. Money is a powerful tool that can help you reach your goals and create opportunities for yourself and others. But money doesn't grow on trees. You have to be smart and strategic about how you use it, invest it, and multiply it. We're diving deep into the world of finance to explore 10 powerful ways to grow your money. These are not get-rich-quick schemes or risky gambles. These are practical and effective methods that have worked for many people who have achieved financial success. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to accelerate your existing progress, these proven techniques will empower you to make your money work harder for you. Welcome to the Budget Buddy, where I love to teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is crucial as they provide direction and motivation on your wealth-building journey. Goals can be categorized as short-term, less than a year; medium-term, 1 to 5 years; or long-term, over 5 years. Examples of financial goals include building an emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, saving for retirement, and investing for wealth accumulation. These goals contribute to wealth building by providing financial security, reducing interest payments, ensuring a comfortable retirement, and leveraging the power of compounding. Setting and achieving these goals is key to long-term financial success. Number 2. Create and stick to a budget. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial growth, the key that unlocks the door to prosperity. By embracing its power, you take control of your financial destiny. Creating a budget involves tracking both your expenses and income, providing a clear snapshot of your financial landscape. Categorize your expenses, from housing to entertainment, and allocate funds wisely. To simplify the process, consider utilizing budgeting tools or apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or YNAB. These tools automate expense tracking, income monitoring, and offer budget customization, empowering you to stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Number 3. Save and invest. Saving and investing are the twin engines that drive your financial journey towards abundance. Saving ensures a solid financial foundation, while investing amplifies your wealth-building potential. Saving involves setting aside a portion of your income for future needs, while investing entails putting your money to work to generate returns over time. To save effectively, set clear savings goals, automate savings contributions, and practice frugality. By harnessing the power of compounding interest, your savings grow exponentially, paving the way for long-term wealth accumulation. When it comes to investing, explore diverse options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Diversifying your investment portfolio minimizes risk and maximizes potential returns, providing a pathway to financial resilience and growth. Number 4. Minimize debt and interest payments. High-interest debt can be a formidable obstacle on the path to financial growth, draining your resources and hindering your progress. The weight of interest payments can stifle your ability to save and invest, impeding your journey towards wealth. To conquer debt faster, consider strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche methods. The debt snowball method entails paying off debts from smallest to largest, gaining momentum and motivation as you eliminate each debt. The debt avalanche method focuses on tackling debts with the highest interest rates first, minimizing the overall interest paid. Additionally, explore ways to reduce interest payments, such as negotiating with creditors for lower rates or consolidating debt into a single, manageable payment. By freeing yourself from the burden of debt, you unlock the true potential for financial freedom and propel your journey towards prosperity. Number 5. Increase your income. Expanding your income horizon is a pivotal step towards accelerating your financial growth. Seek opportunities to increase your income, whether it's by aiming for promotions within your current job, exploring new career paths, or embracing lucrative side hustles. Don't underestimate the value of investing in yourself. Pursue education and skill development to enhance your marketability and open doors to higher-paying positions. By continuously upgrading your knowledge and honing your skills, you position yourself for greater earning potential and unlock a world of financial possibilities. Number 6. Take advantage of tax benefits. Understanding tax laws and regulations is a vital component of optimizing your financial growth. Familiarize yourself with tax-efficient investment options such as retirement accounts like 401k or IRA, which offer tax advantages and help you build a nest egg for the future. Explore the benefits of tax-free savings accounts, such as health savings accounts, HSAs, or Roth IRAs, which provide tax-free growth and withdrawals under certain conditions. To navigate the complex world of taxes effectively, consider consulting with a tax professional who can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific financial circumstances. By taking advantage of tax benefits, you can minimize your tax liability, retain more of your hard-earned money, and supercharge your journey towards wealth accumulation. Number 7. Automate savings and investments. Automating your savings and investment contributions can be a game changer on your path to financial success. By setting up automatic transfers or direct deposit, you effortlessly allocate funds towards your goals, removing the temptation to spend impulsively. This seamless process ensures that you consistently save and invest without fail, instilling discipline and consistency in your financial journey. Embrace the power of automation as it eliminates the need for manual actions, saving you time and effort. With this approach, your financial growth becomes a well-oiled machine, steadily propelling you towards your desired wealth destination. Number 8. Continuously educate yourself. In the ever-evolving landscape of finance, nurturing your financial literacy is essential. Recognize the importance of expanding your knowledge and understanding of personal finance. Immerse yourself in resources that fuel your financial growth, such as books, blogs, podcasts, and courses. Explore timeless classics like Rich Dad Poor Dad or dive into insightful blogs and podcasts hosted by financial experts. Stay updated with market trends and investment opportunities to make informed decisions. As you continuously educate yourself, you empower yourself to navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence. Number 9. Review and adjust your strategy. Periodically reviewing your financial strategy is paramount to staying on track towards your goals. Take time to assess your progress, reevaluate your goals, and make necessary adjustments to your investment portfolios. As life circumstances evolve, your financial strategy must adapt accordingly. Stay vigilant and seize opportunities to optimize your approach. By embracing a proactive approach to strategy review, you ensure that your financial journey remains aligned with your aspirations, propelling you towards continued growth and prosperity. Number 10. Stay patient and persistent. Building wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon that demands unwavering patience and persistence. Understand that financial growth takes time, and setbacks along the way are inevitable. Stay motivated and resilient in the face of temporary challenges, for they are mere stepping stones on the path to success. Remember, the road to riches is paved with stories of individuals who remained steadfast in their pursuit. Inspiring success stories and personal anecdotes abound, reminding us that dreams can become reality with perseverance and a steadfast belief in our own abilities. By following these steps, you can grow your money faster and achieve your financial goals sooner. However, it is important to remember that growing your money requires patience, discipline, and consistency. You also need to be aware of the risks involved in any investment and diversify your portfolio to reduce them.